Hello everyone and welcome to the Starseed Dragon channel. This is a general reading for the metal element dragons out there. Welcome and thank you for holding space for me today. I hope you're doing well. We're going to start off with the good tarot and see what we have in store for our metal dragons. It is a beautiful morning here in the high desert. I hope that you are having lots of beautiful sunshine and happiness as well. And Spirit has been quite talkative lately, so let's see what we've got going on here. There we go. Now you can see everything. Okay, so we're starting off here. Again, this is the Good Tarot. It's a new Good Tarot deck. My old Good Tarot deck I cut down to make a mini version because it was getting rather worn. So since I love this deck so much, I got a second one, and here we have it. We have the Two of Water, Ace of Water, Love, which is the Lover's card, Hierophant, Queen of Earth, the Fool, Six of Water, and Seven of Water. Beautiful. Lots of emotion. Lots of thoughts about finding love, emotional connection with another. You may be opening yourself up or making the choice to open yourself to new experiences and adventures, knowing that you really need to nurture yourself and stand your ground. And you're about to start on a new journey, right? Knowing that your soul purpose is part of what your destiny is to, in this human experience, right? And this is going to open you up to a bunch of new choices to make. This Seven of Water is having a plethora of choices, but it also warns to be careful what you wish for, right? But this is very flowing and very kind. There's no fire here, right? There's no anxiousness or anything. This is about being within yourself and finding that contentment and that harmony within yourself and feeling the emotions that you need to feel and allowing them to flow through you. Having this deep knowing that the answers that you seek are always inside of you, and willing to make the choice to do those deep dives, to work on yourself, maybe even by doing some self-isolation, right? Well, that flew away. Okay. Let's see what other... Spirit is very, very talkative. I'm telling you right now. All right. So we wanted from that one. And we want one of these. Spirit has been very chatty lately. You could tell when my cards start getting all chaotic like that, they really want to speak up. Okay. And there we go. All right. So let's get some clarification. What do we want to clarify with? The highly sensitive tarot. Highly sensitive tarot, clarifying for us today. What does the Two of Water have to say? Okay. Two of Water, clarified by the Page of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, and the Star, my favorite card. So this connection that you are looking for, this is something that you know in your soul you deeply want and perhaps even need that connection. But this Five of Pentacles is saying, you know, be very careful that not to call attention to your weakness as much as being thankful for the things that you do have in your life, not taking those things for granted, right? Following that soul purpose is part of what your wish fulfillment is. And part of that soul purpose is to find those soul connections that you were meant to find. And you will find them. What does the Ace of Water have to say? Okay. Ace of Water, clarified by the Ten of Cups, Three of Wands, Two of Wands, Judgment, King of Cups, and Seven of Wands. Yeah, I mean, this is saying you're being divinely inspired to put yourself out there, to find that emotional contentment, expand your world, and awaken to these new opportunities that are being offered, right? But it also says, stand your ground, be true to yourself, know your worth, right? And you are worth so very much, my metal dragons. What does this love have to say? Three of Cups, clarifying love. This is about growth and expansion in your emotional being, in your emotional wellness, but also it's about celebrating with the people that you hold dearest to you, opening yourself up to the opportunity of connecting with those that you are truly meant to be connected to, that you have always been connected to, but maybe you haven't even met them yet, which is why Spirit's probably telling you to get out into this world, right? Make those connections. Hierophant, what is the Hierophant? Okay. Hierophant, clarified by the Four of Pentacles. This is about finding your footing, building a stable foundation in your material world, and knowing that you are right where you need to be. You already know this, right? You may not be admitting to it or connecting with it, but deep down you know that you are right where you need to be. What does the Queen of Pentacles have to say, please? chair keeps moving. Queen of Pentacles. All right. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, Queen of Earth, Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. This is about you finding balance and doing some introspection about where you've been in order to get to where you're at now. That will allow you to make that connection with others. That will bring wealth, abundance, harmony, a deep understanding to your life, in your life, about your life. What does the Fool have to say? All right. Fool, clarified by the Page of Wands and the Knight of Swords. This is very fast-moving energy, right? You're being inspired to follow those intuitive nudges that are pulling you in a whole new direction, to go on a whole new journey, right? Whole new cycles beginning this year. Six of Water. Six of Water, clarified by the Four of Swords. This is healing your head and your heart, but is also clearing out ancestral wounding as well, right? Ending cycles that are not necessarily good for you, right? But it's going to clear your karma out. What does this Seven of Cups have to say? Seven of Water, clarified by the Four of Wands. Yes, you have that opportunity to make the right choices. Again, careful what you wish for, but making the right choices is going to allow you to welcome these soul connections, your soul tribe, your soul mates into your world, into your life, that will inspire you, and not only inspire you to create, but will co-create with you. That's magical. So we're going to start with the Mystical Journey Oracle. We've got a couple of them. What do we get? 25, being bound. And 19, letting go. Wow. Well, that's some magical stuff right there. Okay, so let's start off with 25. Let me read that. Be daring and allow yourself to try something new. Free the chains of your self-imposed cage. Learn to open your heart and be more playful. Number 19. Breath work is a gentle yet powerful way to release emotions and fill your light body with fresh energy. Breathe in slowly for the count of 4, then breathe out quickly to the count of 8. Then repeat this mantra: I surrender, I let go. Repeat this process until you feel calmness wash over you. Gorgeous. I love this for you. And then we have a Believe in Your Own Magic card. Lioness, you've earned all your stripes. Indeed, number 13, indeed. Let me read that. Naturally, sometimes with growth comes a little scarring. You've come incredibly far, and you should be proud of the person you've become. Think of your scars not as a reminder of the pain you've had to endure in the past, but as proof that you can survive anything. Gorgeous. I love this for you, my metal dragons. And then we have 2 postcards from Spirit. And this one actually flew away and I had to go and retrieve it. It says, "Dearest you, we are gathering our magic together to help you celebrate your new beginning. You're stepping into a new version of your life, getting to tell a new story as you create it. Doesn't it feel like spring when the urge to expand wells up inside you from a primal place? The form of what you are growing has yet to take shape, and it is exciting to experience this new and fresh beginning. It's normal to feel both push and push back when entering any kind of new relationship. It's okay to admit you don't really know what to expect. What you can know is it's time to dive in and allow that new version of life to take shape through you on behalf of your partner in life, Spirit. You have made it to a new level of awakening and contributing, and we are so excited to see where this will take you next. We're so proud of you." I love this for you, my metal dragons. And then we have, "Dearest you, are you taking yourself and your problems too seriously? Maybe fear of the future is weighing on you. We would like you to take a little break from all that and start having fun. When you stop fixating on what has been making you heavy-hearted, we get a chance to move some magic in your direction. We just need you to let go a little. Spirit needs some room and gets very inspired by your laughter when you have fun. When was the last time you got really loose, silly, and goofy? Maybe you need to go dancing or watch some very funny comedy to make you laugh. Or call the one friend you know will remind you how ridiculous and delightfully giddy you can be. You will return refreshed and renewed and ready to once again see the world as less daunting, and you will be ready to receive, in perfect timing, the bounty that Spirit has for you. Don't you just love how much we care about you?" Isn't that gorgeous? I love this for you, my metal dragons. I hope that something in this sang to you. If it didn't, leave it be. It wasn't meant for you. Other than that, thank you again for holding space for me today. I'm truly grateful for you. And I hope you have a fantastic day. And I will see you on the next video.